everyone, in this video, I will guide you on how to export a single frame from your video using CapCut. Let's use this video as an example. To begin, drag and drop it into the timeline. Navigate to the frame of your video that you want to export by moving the play cursor to the desired frame. Once you've selected the frame you wish to export, tap on the three lines at the top of the preview screen. Next, locate and tap the Export Still Frames button. Here, you can choose the resolution and format of the frame according to your preferences. Additionally, there is a checkbox that allows you to upload the photo to the current CapCut project. Click Export. CapCut will save the frame to your folder as an image file. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial has been informative and useful to you. Thank you for watching.